So there's a turn off just around here which is marked for buses and cyclists only. If you were following a sat nav in a driving test, it will not count it, so make sure you do not turn in where the buses and cyclists go. I'm going to have a quick look at turning right at a spiral roundabout up here. We're going to go right third exit, which is marked for West Calder Kilmarnock. You'll notice on the sign there's also a turn off for buses and cyclists, which is for buses and cyclists only. So for turning right, interior mirror, right door mirror, signal right. I'm coming in slowly, braking, getting the speed down to 20. It looks not good, so I'm going to go into first gear. There's a car now blocking, so I can go now, so off I go. Right lane to the right lane out here. Now as I go round, I'm staying with the curb, and then round here the lane starts to spiral. I'm going to check my left mirror just as it starts to spiral. There's a set of traffic lights here which are red, so I'm coming round slowly, and there's a keep clear here, so I'm gently stopping just before this keep clear, and I'm going to go into first gear in preparation for going. So there's a turn off just around here which is marked for buses and cyclists only. If you were following a sat nav in a driving test, it will not count it, so make sure you do not turn in where the buses and cyclists go. So you would go past this and then you take the exit coming up, which would be this one here. So it would just be mirror, mirror, signal, and then that would be you. Hopefully that helps. Good luck with the test.